What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a new knife by Hardcore Hardware Australia. Just came out not too long ago, so let's take a look. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. There we go. Okay, there's the knife. And let's see what we got here. And there's pretty cool patch. This is the hardcore. There he goes. The MILF-03 black. Obviously, I think all their knives right now are black. So that's pretty cool. Some nice detail on that patch. Very nice, very nice. Sticker. Okay, and we also have just a business card and don't cut yourself instructions. Okay, and right here is the thumb studs. Looks like 2 thumb studs. Yeah, different size thumb studs. You have the ability to put a thumb stud in any of the 3 holes, and that's why you have different size thumb studs depending on which hole I think you want to go in. Yeah, maybe not. We'll figure that out later. So here you go. G10 on one side, and they don't really specify if it's titanium or aluminum. Might be aluminum. Lock side. So it looks like you can put the pocket clip in any of the 4 positions for tip up, tip down, left or right carry. Okay. It's got some weight to it. Yeah, it's a bit of a weak detent. It feels good in the hand. It's a nice full-size knife. A little bit of a harpoon Tanto. Your thumb fits perfectly right there. That's something with a knife that is sometimes hard, is to have just the right grip where your thumb falls in the right spot and you have a nice grip. This machining really makes it nice for you're not going to slip at all on that machining. Totally secure lockup, no wiggle at all. This is on phosphor bronze washers, which you can maybe see in there. Yeah, you can kind of see the bronze washers. Got some nice big bronze washers in there. Yeah, a little bit of a weak detent. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit of a weak detent there. You almost have to use a little bit of wrist, which with the bronze washers is actually the detent isn't too bad. You can see it. So just really, I think what it is it's not on washers. I mean, not on bearings, which I'm kind of used to. So detent right there on the up of the back of the blade. So nice early detent. So you can flip it closed pretty good. Like I said, nice Tanto, nice aggressive Tanto. Be interesting to get the thumb studs on there and see how it works with the thumb studs. Of course, that's the other aspect too, is detent might be a little adjusted for in the middle ground of the thumb stud and or flipper, but a little bit of, just a tiny bit of wrist, it will fly open on. It will move just a little bit. Not too bad. So all in all, your lockup about about 25-30%. That's pretty good. Like I said, it's nice and securely locked up too. Yeah, it's not bad. Very nice. The lock bar is very got a nice stiffness to it. So this is definitely a good tactical folder from what I'm feeling right now. I mean, it feels good in the hands. You can definitely tell it will work good with a pair of gloves. You're not going to slip on these scales. These scales are nice. Not super aggressive, though it might be a little bit on the pocket. That's a stiff pocket clip there. Not necessarily super deep carry. Let's just take a look at that. It's got a fair amount of knife hanging out, but again, this is a tactical knife, so it is geared for a guy that's going to be wearing maybe a pair of gloves and wanting to pull it out of a pants pocket or tactical molly or whatever, molly attachments. So yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'm liking it. I like the look when they were first showing it. It's definitely got some nice aggressiveness to it overall. So we will check it out, man. We'll beat on it a little bit, see how she holds up, see how she breaks in, see if anything gets too loose or if flipping action should get better for sure. Bronze washers usually will. She might even need a little bit of lube, but it is 50-50, made in Australia and Taiwan. They don't specify which parts are made where, but not bad. I mean, everything seems pretty well aligned. Sometimes when knives, pieces, and parts are being made in other locations, they tend to not match up very good. But everything I'm seeing here is really good. Your alignment seems to be spot on. Everything's really spot on, and that's pretty good for parts that are being made in other locations especially. So there you guys go. That is it for today. That is the hardcore hardware MILF-03. All right, guys, have a great day. See you next time.